Hey, what up? This is your boy, the Solo Traveler ORD. Thanks again for checking out another one of my videos. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and to hit that bell while you are here. Well, you know, about a year ago, we were celebrating, well, most of us were celebrating about the whole pandemic and how air flights, the actual airfares had actually gone down, and how our flights were like most of the planes were empty, flying to our destinations, things of that nature. Well, fast forward now, we're running into issues. This is from what it was reported from American Airlines, is the fact that they're saying that now they are lacking the employees and lacking everything they need to accommodate their customers as far as flying to their destination. So they've had several cancellations in the past couple of days, and they're expecting to see more cancellations as the demand for flights or people flying are going up. So this is becoming to be an issue. For people like me who like to fly American Airlines, this becomes to be a problem, because especially for where I'm coming out of, trying to get down to South America can be a hassle at times, and it can be very expensive. So as I see this article, I actually saw this came up in last night's news on NBC. They reported it on the nightly news, as well as I found articles on this as well. So let's take a look into this and see exactly what is really going on, why American Airlines is having issues, why they're canceling flights, and how this might affect your next trip if you fly American Airlines. So here's the article that I found, which is called "American Airlines Cancel Hundreds of Flights Due to Staffing Crunch, Maintenance Issues." So for the first paragraph, it says, American Airlines said it canceled hundreds of flights over the weekend due to staffing shortage, maintenance, and other issues. Challenges facing the carrier as travel demand surged towards pre-pandemic levels. About 6% of the airline's mainline schedule, or 190 flights, were canceled Sunday, according to the flight tracker site FlightAware. The airline said that equal about 3% of its total flights, including those operated by regional carriers. An internal company list, which was viewed by CNBC, showed about half of those were because of unavailable flight crew. On Saturday, about 4% of the mainline schedule, or 123 flights, were canceled, and 106 on Monday, FlightAware showed. American said it is trimming its overall schedule by about 1% through the mid-July to help ease some of this disruption, some of which it is said results from bad weather in its Charlotte, North Carolina, and Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport hub during the first half of June. The planned cuts amount to about 950 flights in the first half of next month. So airlines are scrambling to keep up with the spike in air travel demands as government lift pandemic-related restrictions and allow more attractions, from concerts and restaurants to theme parks, to reopen. After spending much of the past year trying to reduce staff, some returning travelers have complained about hour-long customer service hold times. American said it's in the process of hiring hundreds of customer service agents after about a quarter of its customer service agents took voluntary leave of absence by buyouts. Delta Airlines in the process of hiring 1,300 people for those positions. Spokesman Morgan Durant said both carriers said they are reaching out to people who took leaves or buyouts to help cover demands. So I'm not going to continue reading this article. As I usually do, I always leave the link to the article at the bottom of the description of the video. You guys can continue reading that. You guys can get more details of what's going on. So due to the fact that a lot of people are starting to travel again, this is causing an issue across the board. So if you plan on taking flights with American Airlines, even Delta, you might get delayed. This is going to be an issue for me because I plan on flying out really soon. So this is something I got to look forward to. I hope that this doesn't cause a problem for me, but nonetheless, I hope this doesn't cause a problem for you guys as well. So leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think about this. Hopefully this doesn't affect you guys. And hopefully things will get better in the next couple of weeks. This is your boy, the Solo Traveler ORD. Thanks again for checking out this video. Of course, don't forget, like, subscribe, and share, and hit that bell. And I am out.